This longing voice echoes through night. You are hidden, yet nowhere are you gone. You are my soul's eternal light, the presence I have always sought. Come to me, my only love. My heart beats for you alone. Though 1,000 voices call you, mine is the one you hear. Though 1,000 voices call you, mine is the one you hear. Like the moon, I circle your path, searching for a glimpse, a sign. The separation burns me to ashes. If you were a melody, I'd be the lyre. My strings vibrate with your name. Come to me, my only love. My heart beats for you alone. Though 1,000 voices call you, mine is the one you hear. Though 1,000 voices call you, mine is the one you hear. In every breath I take, your fragrance fills my lungs. There is no place you're not. You fill the universe. There is no place you're not. You fill the universe. The path of love is every moment I call you. Through pain and ecstasy. Even when silence, my soul cries out. Answer my desperate call. Answer my desperate call. Every moment I call you. Every moment I call you. You are hidden, yet nowhere are you gone.
Thank you, everyone.